Nutcracker Adventure, 24 unique videos, one different video every day leading up to Christmas. Today we have the tarantella, and I was requested to do a tutorial to teach how to do cabriole forward and to the back. So this is going to be a tutorial either for girls or for boys. Let's begin. Hands on your hips and let's have effacé. Left leg in front, facing the left diagonal in front of us. We are going to do plié, and the leg that is on plié, it's going to meet this leg in the air. This one doesn't go low, this one goes up and again. It's difficult, I know, and it demands a lot of height. So use the deep demi-plié to jump and lower. So basically my leg is up here, and from this one goes meet the leg that is up, and this one is gonna even open higher. So I cannot go down and up, rather I go up and keep going higher. So let's try it again. Hands on your hips, right leg up and goes. Awesome. Now to the back is the same. To the back we can do it either, remember always, we can do it either effacé, we can do it croisé. It doesn't change. I just want to show you effacé so you can see better the action of the legs. Now to the back. I have my right leg on the back. Effacé again, right leg in the air, and we go cabriole. Now, let's do this in a slow motion. I'm pretty sure that this leg didn't point, didn't stretch, and didn't do fifth position in the air. Let's check that. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 2. Okay, I'm not really good with jumps, but you get the idea. Now we're going to use the music of the tarantella to do a combination of jumps where we are going to use cabriole forward and to the back. The combination is going to be really simple. So let's begin. Facing the right diagonal in front of us, right leg on the back, and we are going to do sauté, balancé, piqué, chassé, entrelacé, pose. We are going to do tombe, cabriole, tombe, cabriole, tombe, cabriole, relevé. Just that. Now, take your time. The music is going to be really quick and really dynamic. Take your time. So, no questions at all. I don't think so. And sauté, balancé, piqué, chassé, entrelacé. If you don't know how to do entrelacé, I have a video for you how to do entrelacé. I'm going to leave in the description of this video. But basically, you're going to do chassé, left leg in front, left leg open. Now we step, and your right leg goes grand battement, and in first position in the air, your left leg goes grand battement. And finish on arabesque, step, and stay. So from here, rather do tombé pas, it's going to be easier to do petit développé, cabriole, petit développé, cabriole. So, same leg, same arm, same leg, same arm, same leg, same arm. Now we go to the back, glissade, cabriole, relevé, breathe. We are going to repeat everything to the other side. Let's do everything for the beginning one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tarararan, taran, 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 tarararan. Tarararan. Tarararan, taran, 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 tarararan. Tarararan. And slowly take your time to the other side. Yeah? Remember that you can pause the video, go back, review everything, and then join me. Now, let's do it with music. Ready? And run to the other diagonal. Classical pose. 5, 6, step, step, step. I can't even breathe, but it was so much fun today. I hope you like it. If you did so, let me know in the comments below. If you're new, subscribe, because tomorrow, we're coming with more surprises. See you.